Alright, so I was on a Facebook group, little auction site, and purchased an item. And it arrived the other day, so let's open it up and see what I got. Alright, there's one of them. Here's the other one. Let me get this cleaned up a little bit and we'll take a look at them. So what these are dies for welding toe cocks onto a horseshoe. If you don't know what a toe caulk is, you got your horseshoe here. Then right here you'd have a heel caulk. And here you'd weld your toe caulk. Let's see, here you got grooves for different sizes. I believe these are both, should be 1 inch. Just under an inch, 3/4. I paid just over $30 to have these shipped to me. Here's another one in my collection. But you can see they just went to the Hardy Hole of Granville. You can weld your caulks onto your shoes. So, thanks for watching. Appreciate it.